Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena with a quick comparison of the main camera's video recording on the Pixel 7 and the iPhone 14. Right now using the rear cameras, the main cameras recording in 4K video, and this is what it looks like. Let's walk a bit and check out the video stabilization, and also let me flip the cameras over. Check out the sunset, beautiful colors. At least here in the viewfinder, the color of the sand on the iPhone looks very cold. In reality, it's nicely warm from these colors, from the sunset colors. Let's also switch to the ultra-wide cameras. Alright, this is the ultra-wide camera on the Pixel 7 against the iPhone 14. Trying to keep them steady in my hand.